So you guys wanted a tutorial on how I do my hair clip? We're gonna do it. So I start off with my hair like this. Take your gel. This is the Eco Styler. I told you guys I was gonna get some more Eco. This is the professional styling gel. So you wanna take some and put it around the perimeter of your head. I'm doing this with my glasses off because I need to be able to get all sides. So do it around the perimeter. Like so. And if you guys are wondering, this is a braid out that I did that is kind of just a little bit old. Take your bristle brush and you're gonna brush around all the sides. And then you're gonna need some type of stretchy band or something. This is lace from a pair of underwear that I didn't wear because they were too small for me. Or you can use a headband. This headband is just too small. So yeah, but I use this lace here. And I just cut it from those underwear, like around the waist part of the underwear. And I was like, hey, I can use this. So then you wanna push it up. And the tighter you pull, the smaller your ponytail gets. So I like mine to be, just pulled a small tad bit because I like my ponytail to be nice, juicy, and big. And then you're gonna tie these strings around so that you can't see them. Tuck them in, okay? And then you wanna start fluffing out your hair and everything. Put my glasses back on. You want to start fluffing out your hair. And then I take the same Eco Gel. I do my baby hairs. If you guys hear my little stepbrother crying, please don't mind him. He's been crying all day. But yeah, that's it. That literally took me 4 minutes and 30 seconds to do my hair like this. And it was so quick. This is the quickest thing that I know how to do. So yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give the video a big old thumbs up. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys next time.